my name is Andrea. Welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing some air dry clay Christmas ornaments. So let's jump right in. To make my air dry clay Christmas ornaments, I'm using this clay from Crayola. I'm taking about a handful of clay at a time and kneading it between my palms to warm it up. Now I'm rolling the clay out on a piece of parchment paper. I didn't have my rolling pin on hand, so I'm just using this Dollar Tree vase that I had nearby to roll it out, making the clay about 4 millimeters thick. For my first design, I'm making a star. This is a piece of a Dollar Tree Christmas ornament, and I'm using it as a template. If you have cookie cutters, you could definitely use those, but I don't have any Christmas cookie cutters right now, so I'm just using what I have, and it totally works. I'm using a tiny bit of water on my finger and smoothing the front and edges of the star. I'm poking a hole at the top of the ornament with a skewer, and this will be where we thread the ribbon through to hang it on the tree. So make sure to poke the hole before your ornament dries. I'm using my Cricut weeder tool to add designs to my star. You could also use the end of a skewer. I'm drawing a flower design in the middle, along with some short lines around the edges and little dots to finish it off. I'm making a couple different trees, starting with this one. I'm cutting out 2 basic triangle tree shapes. I'm adding little designs on the trees, again with my weeder tool. On one of them, I'm adding dots and horizontal lines, and then on the other one, I'm doing lots of little diagonal lines. The next ornament is a bell shape, and I'm using this wood bell from Dollar Tree as my guide. I'm tracing around the edges with a knife, then peeling and cutting away the excess clay. I have a bit of water on my finger, and I'm again smoothing the edges and the top of the ornament. You don't want to use too much water here, just a tiny bit will do the trick. Now I'm adding all my designs onto the bell. For the next ornament, I'm drawing a more traditional looking Christmas tree. I have this fake leaf from a dollar store, and I'm pressing it into the clay over top of my tree shape. You could also use a real leaf for this if you wanted. I'm pressing the leaf into the clay enough that it makes an imprint, but not too hard that I squish down the clay too much. I'm lifting up the leaf, then pressing it down in different places around the tree. And now I'm cutting out the tree shape. For the next Christmas ornament, I'm using this lace ribbon. To start with, I'm drawing the outline of a stocking. I'm placing strips of the lace ribbon onto the stocking, leaving the top blank as well as the heel and toe of the stocking. I'm pressing the lace into the clay, not too hard, just enough that it leaves a nice imprint when I peel it off. For the next one, I'm freehand drawing a circle, and I'm taking this gold leaf pick from Dollar Tree and pressing it into the clay. In today's video, I'm partnering with my friend Shannon from Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Shannon is a fellow Canadian YouTuber who shares lots of hauls and budget-friendly DIYs. Today, we are both sharing Christmas DIYs, so make sure to check out her video, which I will have linked below, and let her know I sent you. I left all my ornaments out to dry. It was about 24 hours or so, and now I'm very lightly sanding down the edges to get rid of any rough patches. Now to decorate the ornaments. I'm using this gold glass paint that was gifted to me by Deco Art. This stuff is incredible. It is so shiny. I love the metallic look. I'm also using this extreme sheen metallic paint by Deco Art in the shade Copper. Using both of these paints, I'm adding to the textured areas of the ornaments and also filling in all the little designs that I created. I decided to stick with the copper and the gold for all these ornaments. I like the mix of the natural look with the clay ornament and then the more glam metallic paint. I especially love the look of the paint over top of these imprinted leaves and also the lace. I think the paint really brings these to life and enhances the textures. I have this thin gold ribbon and I'm using it to tie loops at the tops of all my ornaments so they can hang on the tree. And here I'm showing you how some of my ornaments turned out hanging on my tree. I think they look so nice and it was so fun and honestly pretty easy. This was my first time working with the air dry clay and I'm definitely gonna keep experimenting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the Christmas DIY videos coming your way very soon. See you next time.